Hey YouTubers, Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. Today we are talking doorknobs, and in this video I want to show you how to deactivate a locking mechanism on your actual door lock. In our case, the doorknob that we're going to be working on is in one of our child's rooms. The last thing we want is the child to accidentally lock the door and lock themselves inside the room, and at that point we would have no choice but to go outside and try to get in through the window and unlock the door and allow the children out. So let's take a look. Inside the child's room or the nursery right now, and this is the specific door handle or doorknob and the locking mechanism that we are going to deactivate or remove. And during the actual daytime, we put this cool little styrofoam monkey and around the door. As you can see, it loops around and grabs, and that alleviates the chance of the toddler or children being able to close this door and accidentally lock themselves inside. However, with this specific doorknob, you do not need any tools. All you have to do is make sure that it is unlocked. You'll know it's locked by pushing it. There it is. That's locked. To unlock it, pull, and that's unlocked. To deactivate the actual locking mechanism, all you have to do is unscrew this entire piece or insert, pull it right out. And before you pull it out, make sure it is unlocked. And again, you will unlock it by pulling. And that is still unlocked. And now the children, in the event that they actually close the door and they are inside the room, they cannot lock themselves inside the room. And that is good, because the last thing you want to do is have your children locked inside and have to actually break through the window to open up the actual door from the inside, or talk them through how to unlock the door. And chances are, if they're too young to understand, they may not be able to actually follow your instructions and open that door. That's it, YouTubers. See a very fast, friendly DIY project. Do us a favor below the video. You will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely go to your settings. Turn on your YouTube notification bell. Once you do that, every video that we upload, you will be notified. You will be able to stay up to date with us, and that will be awesome. Hey, thanks again for watching.